Okay, we're in a street called Rua Sul do Canal dos Patos. So we're kind of like in this big giant place with all these tall apartment buildings. So we're gonna just kind of explore and see what's in there, and as I usually do in this channel. And then this is where the new port is at, the new place to get into Zhuhai, China from Macau. So so let's just kind of go down and explore and see what's over that way. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So that's our street, Rua Sul do Canal dos Patos. We're gonna see, this is an area I haven't really explored, and I think it's gonna be changing drastically because of this new building right here, which is the port that brings in people from Zhuhai, China. Really nice building. It's much better than the one that's the one that they had not too long ago. Huh. Okay, so we're gonna walk in here and just kind of check it all out. And you can also see like all these tall buildings everywhere too, right? Looks like it's gonna be mostly kids. There's a police station. I don't want to film that, but we're just gonna walk in and just kind of see. There's the supermarket. So all this is gonna transform this neighborhood. So it looks like there's a little temple in the middle as well. You got all these tall buildings everywhere, right? Okay. So let's just kind of take a look around and see what's all around here. You can see, I think this name is called Plazas dos Lótus. That's what this one is. Praça dos Lótus. So we have to see exactly what the name of this is. That's Green Island over that way. And let's say Rua Leste de Ilha Verde. I never film over here. It's kind of interesting though. So we got like this giant beautiful tree, got some badminton over there. You have a temple right here. You have this massive little area. Let's go check out the temple. Yeah, I got badminton. Got a little skateboarder going through. And we're just gonna go check out this little thing right in here, this temple. It looks nice in here. It's beautiful. Yeah, I bet this doesn't really get that much attention. It's never really come over here, but I think it's going to be completely transformed because of the, and all these are look like they're all brand new as well. So this is called Praça dos Lótus. So we might actually highlight it as such. Praça dos Lótus. So that's the Portuguese one and that's the Chinese one. Got all these tall buildings everywhere. Lots of people playing. Different stuff happening here. So I think we're just gonna walk this praça all the way down. And then got something kind of new and different. So yeah, this is basically the praça, and then this is the Nova da Ilha Verde. So we kind of have a couple streets that we're filming here, which is something I usually just try to focus on one street only. That's interesting. So yeah, this is all new. I think that looks like it's new, and then that over there, I wonder if that's still Macau. That border gate is right over there too, so interesting. Okay, so we're just gonna walk all the way down, and then we're gonna end this one when we get to the end of the street, but we're gonna just let you see what's at the end as well, just so you can put it all in context, and I can put it in context too, because I never come down here. But this is quite interesting for sure. Okay. So yeah, I guess we'll call this Rua de Ilha Verde and also the Praça de Lotus and Qingmao as well, since it's all kind of the same. So the new street of Green Island, and then we're gonna end it over here. Huh. It's been a while since I've been over here. So yeah, this is kind of interesting. I kind of know where we're at now. There's a kind of interesting little alley right there that we're gonna probably film shortly. So this is the one that we just filmed just now. Amazing. So yeah, we got a nice view right here of that street. And I think we're gonna end it right there.
Chiquinha,